Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a delicious peanut ladoo in Hamari style. It's a very simple and easy recipe. So let's start. For making this recipe we need only two ingredients, jaggery and peanuts. First, take a pan, let it heat for a minute. Now add raw peanuts into it. And put the gas on low to medium flame. Keep on roasting till the peanuts become crunchy. And make sure they should not have any rawness in them. So here you can see peanuts roasted well. Now take them out. And let it cool for some time. Once it is cool, rub them nicely with the hands so that the skin peels off. This is the easy way to remove the skin. So we remove skin for all peanuts here. Now we can add the peanuts in a mixer jar. And grind it. Then add grated jaggery into it. Grind it again. Until it get a coarse mixture. It's done. Now take it in a plate. Mix it well. Make sure there should be no lumps. Now shape them into small balls as shown here. Now make all like this. So here is our delicious peanut ladoo. It's ready. Isn't it quick and easy recipe? So do try and let us know your feedback in the comments. If you liked our recipe, then do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.